One rocket, one launch, 32 satellites scattered into space like seeds from a hand. This isn't science fiction. This is Ariane 6, Europe's newest rocket, and it just pulled this off for real. But hold on, why is a European rocket doing deliveries for Amazon? Because Amazon is locked in a space internet war with SpaceX. Amazon's plan is called Kuiper. The goal is to launch over 3,000 satellites and weave an internet blanket around the entire Earth. Every desert, every ocean, every mountain village all connected. Sounds ambitious, right? But SpaceX's Starlink already has over 6,000 satellites up there. Kuiper is racing against the clock to catch up. Here's the problem. Launching thousands of satellites takes a lot of rockets. So Amazon signed contracts with 3 different launch providers, and one of them is Europe's Ariane space. And Ariane 6 has a trick that's incredibly hard to copy. Its upper stage engine is called Vinci. It burns liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen. The key part? This engine can shut down in space, coast for a while, then fire up again. Think of it as a space bus. It pulls up to each stop and drops off a batch of satellites. Then it fires up, climbs to the next orbital altitude, and drops off another batch. On this mission, Ariane 6 used exactly that trick to deliver all 32 Kuiper satellites into different orbits. One trip, less time, less money, less fuel. But here's where the engineering gets truly wild. Liquid hydrogen sits at minus 253 degrees Celsius, just 20 degrees above absolute zero. Getting that ultra-cold fuel to spray, mix, and ignite in the vacuum of space is about as easy as lighting a match in a blizzard. And they don't just do it once. They shut down and reignite over and over with zero room for error. This is the result of over a decade of development by ESA, the European Space Agency. The Vinci engine produces 180 kilonewtons of thrust, not the most powerful out there, but its specific impulse, basically fuel efficiency, is the best in its class. In plain terms, 1 kilogram of fuel takes it farther than any of its rivals. And this space internet race, it's just getting started. Starlink already has over 1 million subscribers, but nearly 3 billion people on Earth still have zero internet access. That market is so massive, even a handful of companies can't fill it. So next time you scroll your phone, glance up at the sky. Some of those dots you thought were stars, they're satellites, and there are more every month. Humanity is turning the entire sky into one giant Wi-Fi hotspot, one metal box at a time.